In this video, I'll show you how to pay Union Bank credit card via Instapay. So you can pay your credit card using Union Bank itself or other bank providers. For this one, we'll use Robinson's Bank. So for this one, just click on this transfer money. And then after that, you can see this Instapay option. So just head over and click on Instapay. And then after that, just providing here the account number of your credit card as well as your name for this one. And then once you have done that, you can see this confirmation. So you can say something like, for the notes, transfer the payment for credit card, and it will show you the amount to be deducted for your savings account. And then in here, you just need to review the details. Just read the terms and condition, agree to this one as well. And then it will show you that a confirmation page has been successfully paid. So once it's been successfully submitted, it should be able to reflect today, later today or tomorrow on your credit card billing statement. So that's how you pay Union Bank credit card via Instapay. Hope we help.